Three branches of government: legislative, executive, judicial. Hello, class. There are many questions on the citizenship test about branches of government. Branches of government means parts of government. We can use the image of a tree to understand branches of government. This is a tree. This is a branch. One branch. These are branches. One branch, two branches. Three branches. Branch is one. Branches are more than one. These branches are separate, but they are all part of one tree. The United States government has three branches. The branches of United States government are separate, but they all come from one constitution. Now, let's name the three branches. Three branches of government: legislative, legislative or Congress; executive, executive or President; judicial, judicial or the courts. Let's practice speaking. Legislative, 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 legislative. Executive, 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 executive. Judicial, judicial, judicial. Are you ready to learn more about the branches of government? Now, let's talk about the parts of each branch, and let's talk about what each branch of government does. Three branches of government. United States government begins in 1787 with the Constitution. The Constitution forms the government, defines powers of government, defines the parts of government, and protects the rights of the people. The legislative branch of government writes federal laws. It is also called Congress, and it has two parts: the Senate and House. The executive branch has many parts and includes the president, vice president, and the cabinet. The president signs the bills from Congress into law or vetoes bills. The cabinet advises the president. The president is the commander-in-chief of the United States military, and the president is in charge of the executive branch. The judicial branch has many parts: Supreme Court and federal courts. The judicial branch reviews laws from Congress and decides if a law goes against the United States Constitution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps a little bit with the next questions. Stay safe.